Selective Laser Sintering, SLS, is a cutting-edge technology used in the manufacturing industry to create complex and intricate parts and components. This process involves using a high-powered laser to selectively fuse powdered materials, such as plastics, metals, and ceramics, layer by layer, until the desired shape is formed. SLS is a highly precise and efficient method of manufacturing, as it allows for the creation of parts with intricate geometries that would be impossible to produce using traditional manufacturing methods. SLS is particularly useful in the production of small batch or custom parts, as it eliminates the need for expensive tooling and molds. This makes it an ideal solution for industries such as aerospace, automotive, and medical, where precision and customization are critical. SLS is also a sustainable manufacturing method, as it produces less waste than traditional manufacturing methods and allows for the reuse of excess powder. Berkness Company, a leading manufacturing company, offers SLS as one of its many services. With over 60 years of experience in the industry, Berkness Company has established itself as a trusted partner for businesses looking for high-quality, custom manufacturing solutions. The company's state-of-the-art facility is equipped with the latest technology, including SLS, to ensure that it can meet the needs of its clients. Berkness Company's team of experienced engineers and technicians work closely with clients to understand their unique needs and develop customized solutions that meet their specific requirements. Whether it's a small batch production run or a complex, custom part, Berkness Company has the expertise and technology to deliver high-quality results. If you're interested in learning more about SLS and how it can benefit your business, Berkness Company's Contact Us page is the perfect place to start. The company's team of experts is always available to answer any questions you may have and provide you with the information you need to make an informed decision about your manufacturing needs. Contact Berkness Company today to learn more about SLS and how it can help take your business to the next level. FAQs. 1. What is Selective Laser Sintering, SLS, and how does it work in manufacturing? Selective Laser Sintering, SLS, is a 3D printing technology that uses a high-powered laser to selectively fuse powdered materials, such as plastics, metals, and ceramics, into a solid object. The process involves spreading a thin layer of powder over a build platform and then using a laser to selectively melt and fuse the powder particles together, layer by layer, until the desired object is formed. SLS is commonly used in manufacturing for rapid prototyping, tooling, and small-scale production of complex parts. 2. What are the advantages of using SLS in manufacturing? SLS offers several advantages over other 3D printing technologies, including the ability to produce complex geometries and intricate designs with high accuracy and precision. It also allows for the use of a wide range of materials, including those that are difficult or impossible to produce with other methods. SLS is also a relatively fast and cost-effective process, making it ideal for small-scale production runs and custom parts. 3. What are the limitations of SLS in manufacturing? While SLS has many advantages, it also has some limitations that should be considered when using it in manufacturing. One of the main limitations is the size of the build platform, which can limit the size of the parts that can be produced. SLS also requires a high level of expertise and specialized equipment, which can make it more difficult and expensive to implement than other 3D printing technologies. Additionally, the surface finish of SLS parts can be rougher than other methods, which may require additional post-processing steps to achieve the desired finish. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.